You all should just please bear with this my network today. Just bear with the network. Network Yamato Atibatati Kolole, but I'm not even home now. Seriously. Just thank you, my sister. Hey, Apostle Titemi. I want shaye lolodo gbedule ni yo. Gbedula wa ba shaye o eyan tia. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, Uncle Shagum, just bear with me. I'm gonna sort yeah, I will sort it. I'll sort the next problem. Don't worry. I'm trying to settle in our new house, but then I'm not even home now. I'm actually somewhere. There's a part where I have come to this one to quickly see you all, talk to you all. I missed you so much. So as I was saying, Temi Eshamo, Wani Baba Jeko Adari Jewe o Baba Jeko Adari Jewe Ajatemi da o Koitiko ni le aye Hey, I love you. Let me see your shara. I'm just saying, LA, boy, you are the shara. I'm just saying, LA, that you. So, one Baba Jack, come and daddy, when they be a big but they will allow you yelling, no, the other for you, Jimmy, what like. Meanwhile, they just 40 gallons of 40 gin long. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kí ló ń dáríjì wá bàbá tí Ọlọ́run àwòṣe náà ní fún bàbá ẹlẹ́pọ̀n labalábá jabajaba labùkẹ́lẹ́bùkẹ́ adé wá ètò kóòtò nífọdọ́jì wọ́n ti kó òun bá dùkú wa bẹ́ẹ̀ fúngbà díẹ̀ náà ṣe ń ṣọ́ tó bá ń gbọ́ all eyes on me yẹ a ṣe ń ṣọ́ ẹ o Basira para Basira embassy tó lọ sí mọ́ṣáláṣí díìnì ní New York àpárá ó tẹ́láwọ̀ ó ṣàláwọ̀ ó kúláwọ̀ kò sí kírìmù ẹmọ́ ló ṣà ìwọ bleach ló ṣì máa fi bóra ẹ̀ tó kù gbẹ̀yìn awọlá bàbá yẹn adáríjì ẹ̀ kẹ́sẹ̀ tó jiná ó dijọ́ tó bá yéṣẹ́ bí ṣe tó bá tó mọ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹni bí kò tó rí gbàlà lọ́wọ́ ẹsẹ̀ tó ń gbé ká yẹn wọ́n gbé nǹkan tó máa sì ní ẹ lọ́wọ́ torí pé ìkànnì ẹ àwọn òbá kàtó ṣe. wọ́n ní àwọn ẹni wá o a ò jẹ báwọn jókòó ọ̀tẹ̀ àwọn òdẹ̀jẹ̀ bá wọn pé àdẹ̀jẹ̀ bá wọn pé jọ àbòsí ọwọ́ wa màrè funfun nẹ́nẹ́ àwọn ò bá wọn jókòó ọ̀tá àbá wọn jókòó bànújẹ́ àbá wọn jókòó òfò ìjókòó ayé bàjẹ́ yẹn àwọn ọmọ èjì ò sí ń bẹ̀ rárá Ọlọ́run làwa bá tò wá gbá ìbúkì ẹlẹ́pọ̀ làbúlábú ládé wa ìtì lè yorúkọ yẹn kúrò ní orúkọ ẹ̀ bàbá dáríjì yẹn ò ní ká má pè lótò kótó lífọdọ́jì orúkọ ẹ̀ òtòkótò ẹ̀ ṣáàmù ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin tèmi network yẹn bó ṣe máa wà lálẹ́ ní mí nípẹ́ kúrò lórí line wọ́n tún bá èèyàn kan bẹ̀bẹ̀ ìwọ tó bẹ̀bẹ̀ yóò mọ́rẹ́ ẹ̀bọ̀ mi ìfẹ́ dárúkọ ẹ torí pé mo promise ẹ pé mi ní mention orúkọ ẹ another ọmọ ewé ó di mélòó òun náà bẹ̀bẹ̀ obìnrin ní àgbàlagbà ní pé ká jọ o òun ti di AJ for life torí àwọn ò ṣe kí ni àwọn ò ní àánú èèyàn níbi táwọn wà yẹn pé bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ èjè òun ni pé jẹ́ ọmọ aláàánú ni ẹ ṣáàrí apá àwọn èèyàn kọ́ wa. Don't call me on my messenger. You call me on my messenger, I will tell my admin to block you. Lọ́wọ́ kan bá fi lè tún fi messenger pè mí. You don't distract me. I don't calls on messenger during my recording. I'm on a live show, so don't call me on messenger. So anyway, people, that woman, another woman called, not Basira Embassy or Bayeje o. Basira Embassy call kò ṣe Bọ́lájí Èkìní tó bá yé jẹ́ tán o. This one is another one from Ewe saying, Abike, I apologize. And I told her I'm not going to mention her name seriously. You know when I hear words, I keep it. So, ìyẹn náà ó ti yẹ ní ẹbí ṣe ń dárúkọ yẹn pé a ti sílẹ̀ lórí Jésù. Àforíjì wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá wọ́n ṣẹlẹ̀ dá wa bọ̀ kí la fẹ́ ṣe. Àwọn oṣù Ọlọ́run náà. Àwọn ní ká fìdájọ́ lẹ̀kọ́ lọ́hùn dá. Àwọn làwọn ò mọ̀ pé ẹsẹ̀ mẹ́fà náà ni gbogbo akitiyan wàhálà tó kóra wọn sí yìí gbogbo jọ́ta bá sùn tá bá jí mọ́ ìjọ́ ìlà máa mọ̀ pé aláṣẹ lórí nǹkan kan tí gbogbo wa ń control lójú ayé yìí ìjọ́ tó bá sùn mọ́ tó bá rò pé kò gbé mọ́tò ò ṣe gbé wà ti bá rẹ̀ lọ́dà side so àwa ń wọ ọjọ́ yẹn ìjọ́ yẹn dẹ̀ sì máa pẹ́ o wàhálà ẹ̀ ẹ bá gbógun ọdún lè ní gbọ́ngbọ́n ilé òkè gbọ́ngbọ́n ní Fẹ́mi Àbíkẹ́ gàrá nìyẹn ṣàmọ̀ ń sọ fún mo dọ́mọ ayé lè ní ayé kò Fẹ́mi Àbíkẹ́ rúbọ mọ́ òyìn ti lọ oṣù April láwà yìí o ẹ mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ túmọ̀ ẹ máa bá mi kà pé this is April o àbúrú kan ò láwa ṣe láṣẹ Èdùmàrè anyway in case I'm not going to come back tonight again in case it disconnects again. It's just to update you guys on what has been happening, that we don't have haters, our opponents, that's what we're going to call them. They've been coming begging pé ká jọ̀ọ́ ká ṣí àwọn lẹ̀ a dẹ̀ ń gba ẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn Rutu Nkechi Rosemary Eke ìyẹn la máa fi rúbọ gbẹ̀yìn wọ́n máa fi rúbọ ni wọ́n máa fi palẹ̀ mọ́ gbogbo ilé òun àti Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam wọ́n bá Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam náà bẹ̀bẹ̀ àmọ́ ṣe rí èyí tó ń ṣe Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam gan ó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí boyfriend tó fẹ́ lè kò tí yẹn ní ṣéǹjì táṣẹ́rẹ́ díẹ̀ yẹn ti jálẹ̀ ò fẹ́ rí mọ́ ìyẹn ti sílẹ̀ ó lóun ò fẹ́ rí Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam ó lọ́mọ disgrace ni ọ̀rẹ́ bọ̀bọ̀ tó ń fẹ́ yẹn Fọlá tí Fọlá bá wà lórí line á máa gbọ́ mi bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ Fọlá ní ọ̀rẹ́ bọ̀bọ̀ tí Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam tó ń bá ṣàmọ̀ tó ń fẹnu kó gbogbo skilashi dọ̀tí ẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọ̀nà ti sílẹ̀ wọ́n níyẹn ní máa rìn ní sàkà ní òun Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam mo gbórí pupa wọlé ka ayé bó ṣe wọlé yèmí mọ̀ bóyá ayé wà lórí síìtì ni kí ló kà wá pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kó gbé sáré fèsì ọ̀nà ti já ẹlẹ̀ wọ́n já ẹlẹ̀ dànù wọ́n já ẹlẹ̀ máa bọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa tún fẹ̀ tiẹ̀ bàjẹ́ máa tún bẹ́ẹ̀ mu máa tún polówó ẹ̀fà ẹ̀kẹ́ ó já sọ́wọ́ ọmọ ayé ó já sọ́wọ́ Jásọ́lá Ọlọ́run tí ẹ bá ẹ ó lè rọ́kọ mọ́ ó ti déètì méjì ààrẹ káàkiri orí social media àti ìyá tó lọ́wọ́ aládùúrà tó ń gbàdúrà fún mo ti sọ fún ìyá yẹn gbogbo akitiyan ìyá yẹn is just a wasted effort because ó ń ṣe ọmọ tó ṣàdùn èpè ló máa pa ìyẹn Jésè ni mò ń sọ torí òun ló máa ń gbé ọ̀rọ̀ kọ́rọ̀ fún Rutu Nkechi pé kó máa fi bá yá àwọn èèyàn jẹ so pẹ̀lẹ́ títí o Jésè Ẹ̀yìn Brumpam Fọlá ọ̀rẹ́ boyfriend sọ pé wọ́n ẹlẹ wọn ti sọ pé kò má pọn ọmọ kò fọwọ́ rẹ̀ ṣe rẹ̀ tí ń ṣe wàjà gidijagan wọn lè pẹ́ ní Àbíkẹ́ ẹni tí wọ́n gbé fúnra rẹ̀ à ń lébọ̀ lẹ́yìn Jagunlabi lára wa èmi náà jò gírí òòzà Muyideen làlá àlàmú kọ́strọ́bù fáwọn lọ́tẹ̀ká ayé yín ó kọ́strọ́bù yìí náà ni ìmọ̀ wọlé ní gbogbo bí i skata fucking skata ni ẹ ṣáwọn èèyàn ọmọ ayé ẹ gbórí lórí pàrẹ ìpúpọ̀ rárá ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ ṣàmọ̀ ìsọ̀rọ̀ àbọ̀ láfúnláfún ìkò sí mísíkì kúrò bí tán ti ń pariwo mísíkì ìjọ fún yín kí n ṣú ara mi kí n fi búlù káfí ṣú ara wa ẹ ṣàmọ̀ olú ọbọ anyway ìyẹn ń sìn títí Jésè nìyẹn torí pé ó ti ń jẹ ìyà ẹ lójú ayé ẹ kò lè rọ́kùnrin fẹ́ mọ́ wọ́n tiẹ̀ ti gbé sórí ẹ̀ wá wọ́n ní bọ̀bọ́ kan tún jẹ́ Sùnbọ̀ ní Manchester wọ́n ní ọ̀rẹ́ bàbá oní búrẹ́dì ni wọ́n ní yẹn náà tún fa jẹ Jésè wọ́n tún Sùnbọ̀ yẹn náà wọ́n ló tún gbèjẹ sọ wọ́n ní yẹ̀yẹ́ gan níyẹn náà ká mọ́nu mọ́tò ẹ̀ àti ní ojoojúmọ́ náà ń gbé sórí ìyìn lé dáríjì ẹ̀ kò báwọn ìyá aláṣọ àdúrà Darlington kó ṣàdúrà àdúrà yẹn torí wọ́n ṣàdúrà ní tó máa ti ṣépè fún ìwà owó ẹ̀ ló máa ṣàdúrà fún ẹ ìwà owó ẹ̀ ló máa ṣépè fún ẹ kò báwọn gbogbo ayé kan máa ṣépè fún yàn bí ìwà owó ẹ̀ tó bá ti ń ṣàdúrà fún ẹ wo ìpè yẹn kan ìwà owó ẹ̀mí Àbíkẹ́ òun ló ń ṣàdúrà fún mi lọ́jọ́ ìní mò ń jáyé ṣeré ní olówó yìí ẹbí sì yìí ti pọ̀jù kò síbi tí màmá dé báyìí tó bá ń gbọ́ VIP on treat màmá very important personality tí máa ya wọlé àwọn bodyguard tó tẹ̀lé mi nílé ni wọ́n tó mẹ́rin voluntarily ní kò ń ṣàlájà àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀májà kan ìmọ̀lò wọn kájà wà o èmi ò bí ajá máa tẹ̀lé mi kiri o àwọn tí èyí tẹ̀ lò kọ́ kí lórúkọ ní tẹ̀ lọ lò àwọn kọ́là wà lò ó Scotland Yard àbí yóò lo Scotland Yard yìí làwọn májà o àwọn ènìyàn gidi lélẹ̀ bọ́ ìgbà tó ń ṣe ìbàjì wọ́n lè àwọn ọ̀gá ọmọ ayé ẹ jẹ́ kó kọjá fílẹ̀ fún ẹ̀jẹ̀ búrẹ́ bí ṣe ń ṣeré tèmi lọ́nà ẹ ṣáàmù a máa ń ṣeré lọ́nìyẹn o Àbíkẹ́ ń ṣeré lọ́nìyẹn èmi ń ṣeré lọ́nìyẹn èmi ń ṣeré lọ́nìyẹn tó ń gbà ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ayé ń jayé tiẹ̀ àwọn òrò everybody VIP ní mí lọ́wọ́ Jésè wà ní ìyá tó máa fún ní giving back day wá bá mi máa fún ẹ láwọn èèyàn gidi ní Kano Street ní Yaba ó ṣàmọ̀ àwọn tèmi Bábíyà ńlá ìyá Bukky Bábíyà ńlá Bukky Jesse Bábíyà ńlá torí Ọlọ́run Bábíyà ńlá wọ́n ń dúró díẹ̀ ní Kano Street lóyìnbó àbí kó bá mi lọ sísàlẹ̀ lóko ọba lọ́wọ́ wọ́n ti àwọn lọ síbẹ̀ lẹ́ńkùlé níbi dá wọ́n ní Bukky Jesse Bábíyà ńlá torí wọ́n ti ní pé wọn náà Bukky ìṣèbù tó yàn àbúrò ẹ̀ mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wọ́n á gba gbogbo kíní yẹn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n á bẹ fún àwọn èèyàn ó lè réyàn mọ́ lórí Facebook wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ó máa fògùn pa ni ògùn burúkú wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kó lè ran àwa ní oṣàmù àwa máa dàrú nígbà tó mórúkọ mi lọ́dọ̀ yọ lọ́tí Ìbàdàn mo sọ fún ẹ̀ náà mo ní Bukky Jesse mo ní ìwọ. Okay, you like my face cap, Uncle Kolade Dohun? Yes, you all should go and order the Facebook cap. It's really nice. You will love the blue. Yeah. Trendy wears. In fact, you need to see his collection. Just Google him. BuluLimited.com. He's got a lot to offer you guys. Honestly, you will like his party, trendy wears. So check him out and you will see they're quite dressy as well. So as I was saying, ìṣòro ayé Jesse ó pọ̀ ju nǹkan tá à ń ròyìn lọ. So wọ́n wá bá Jesse yẹn gan bẹ̀bẹ̀. Irú àǹtí aládùúrà tán lọ ṣàdúrà àǹtí aládùúrà yẹn gan tún fakọ sí o yẹn dání tì yẹn ó ní ayé bá jẹ aláya yín kéèyàn máa ṣàdúrà lọ kó tún ní ìyá aláya yín láàrin àdúgbò rẹ pé gbogbo ìdílé ilé àtàwọn sí ànẹ́sì àwọn tó dásẹ̀ ilé àti sí ànẹ́sì ilé wọn ní kẹ èèyàn ń ṣàdúrà lọ pẹ̀lú sùtà náà ní Jésù abóhun gbógun tí wọn ìyá aláya yín láàrin àdúrà mo pé ẹ̀yin àǹtí ẹ padà sólóṣà ìdí òrò ibi tẹ̀tí wọ èèyàn mi ní yín mi ìbúyín ọmọ kan sọ fún yín pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣàdúrà ẹ kò yẹ kẹ ní ìyá aláya yín láàrin àdúrà kí ló dé gbogbo yín kàn fa kó òdì sí mi ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ rí Tèmídayọ̀ photos ẹnu ẹ̀ ń yọ̀ ìbídùn ẹnu ẹ̀ ń yọ̀ ó ń jábọ́ Tèmídayọ̀ olójú ṣíṣàn olójú mímẹ́ọ̀tì ìmú ẹ̀ bíi umbrella tán fi ń pàtẹ gúgúrú lóògùn mọ́kùn ìwọ ń jábọ́ Tèmídayọ̀ ìbí mi dùn èmi ò mọ̀ ẹ́ rí o òpùrọ̀ èèyàn ni ẹ mo ní kó lọ gbé evidence jáde mi ò mọ̀ ẹ́ rí o déédéé lọ bú mi lórí wọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ Tèmídayọ̀ non-entity ni ẹ o relevant sí mi. I only want to talk to people that are relevant. So Tèmídayọ̀ ìbí mi dùn you are not relevant, you are nobody to me. I don't know you whether you want to come. I didn't call you to come and cover my husband's event. Someone called you. Èmi kọ́ mo pè é mi ìmọ̀ ẹ́ rí so I don't know what your problem is with me Tèmídayọ̀ ìbí mi dùn you have an issue ó bá ti ń wọlé lọ má yeah, he's been writing some, dirty stuff about us on AJ. That's Tèmídayọ̀ photos. But I don't have anything with him because I don't know him. The reason why he's been writing some negative reports about what I don't understand. I don't even know the guy. We only did what we did for that poor lady, Dara, on this show for the sake of God. And because we are nurturing mother, we have feelings. That is why we did what we did for the lady. So I don't know what Tèmídayọ̀ Ebimidu problem is with that. But let's leave it for now. I think about my mo man like my teton gbogbo yín yẹ kẹ́ jẹ́rìí ọmọ yín pé ó máa fúnyàn ní long rope. Nígbà mo sọ fún top low, èyàn wá ní top low nísìnyí. Wọ́n bá top low náà bẹ̀bẹ̀, wọ́n ní top low ó ṣòwò short. Wọ́n ní top low ṣòwò short báyìí láyé ẹ̀rí. Àánú rẹ̀ sì wá ṣe mí top low. I have a contract for you. Contact me on Abike Jagaban show. I told you this is the show for successful people, prominent people. They are here. Notable Nigerians that have made it, have left the landmark. You need to come to this group and see what they have to offer you. Top low techie. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn fẹ́ ṣe party, wọ́n sì wá party planner. Àwa máa ṣe yẹn fún ẹ because kì í ṣe ọ̀tá ẹ̀ top low. Àwọn tiẹ̀ náà bẹ́ẹ̀ top low Ọlọ́run. A ti dé kíní lè ní kí lórúkọ bí ta ti ń bọ̀ wọ́n ayé. Ọ̀dọ̀ Gato la ti ń bọ̀ sí. Wọ́n ti yọ àwọn tèmi bọ́ta ní ọ̀dọ̀ Gato wọ́n tún bá top low bẹ̀bẹ̀ pé màmá ẹ ṣí top low lẹ̀ òun náà mọ̀ wọ́n ní èèyàn yìí ní top low kó lọ ṣiṣẹ́ gbà ní gbogbo ayé gan ló kẹ́sì pé lọ gbarú iṣẹ́ yẹn pé kò bá má ṣe pé top low àwọn tíṣẹ̀tì tó kù gan sí wọ́n ní tó bá lè lọ yọ fọ́tò bẹ̀ wọ́n tún gbé fọ́tò ẹlòmíì sí bóyá wọ́n lè tà ní £5 káwọn èèyàn rà kó tẹ̀lé rówó ẹ̀ padà tó bá gbọ́ ṣòwò ṣọ́ọ̀tì rọ́ọ̀lù kó pàdánù Ọlọ́run níṣẹ́ yẹn o bàbá rọ́ọ̀lù ó pàdánù òkò jèrè lórí àánú ẹ̀ sì ṣe wá so àwa bàbá wá contract mi tó máa fi di oṣàmù so top low rọ́ọ̀lù kó pàdánù lọ́rọ̀ t-shirt yẹn wọ́n náà ṣì lè tó 400 tí wọ́n ti tà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dàbí wọ́n kó dé kò ní ẹ̀ ṣàmọ̀ rọ́ọ̀lù kó pàdánù ní rọ́ọ̀lù ká pàdánù tiwa o so but that top low sorry for your loss we actually did warn you didn't listen to us we told you it's not going to go well with you and that woman but you see where it ended but káti ẹ̀dúpẹ́ kò fi ẹ́ pa bó ṣe fi màdókókú pa ó fi màdókókú pa o màdókókú tí ẹ bá ní ó gba àwọn limo 1971 tí wọ́n lò yẹn gbogbo limo yẹn náà máa fọ́ gbogbo ara ẹ̀ náà máa lọ fi rọṣí bí fáwọn ọmọ ayé tó máa fi jẹun àwọn limo onípànù àwọn limo gidi lèmi àbí àwọn ò tiẹ̀ lo limo ẹgbàgbọ́ ọmọ ayé àṣeré lọ nínú helicopter fún wákàtí àwọn ọmọ mi tó ẹ̀ wọ́n lè gbé yẹn lókè ẹ̀yọ́ méje fẹ́ ṣeré lọ nínú helicopter níjọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti bí ẹ̀ fún wákàtí mo jẹ́rìí yẹn máa sáré dáwọ́ yẹn ní ẹ lè wò mí kí ẹ máa sọ fún màmá pé ẹ ní olú ọmọ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́ mi ì mọ̀ pé mo tóbi tó yìí lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín o ọjà tí kò ní jábọ̀ mi tẹ́wọ́ yín ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ tẹ́lọ́ mi ti ṣe like honestly you guys have impressed me. You've impressed me so much. You know, I was a couple of days ago. I was in my couple of days ago, and the lady called me, and the lady called me and said, "We need to do a lot of things for you on this show. We want you to set up professionally because you did set a lot of people free on social media. You might not know your work, you might not know what you've been doing to people, but you have actually placed a smile on our face. Abike, you are a God sent." And I was just listening to her on the phone. She said, like that of Buki Jesse, that you need to see what that Jesse girl put people through in Manchester. That people went through a lot in Manchester because of that. Eyim Brumpam, Eshamo, Kiloruko, Obodumbem Jesse, Omo Abana. Kini abana to bimbuga ayalogbe Jesse. Zera kete Jessa Jesse ti jagbere lo Jesse ja Obabana to bimbuga ajatigbe o Buki Jesse. Anyway, yan mo mi mo kọjá sí fún ni o bá ranju Jesse mi ko ni mo ní kó forúkọ wa máa wò wá gbogbo na wọlé yẹn tẹ́ bá gbọ́ ojú lásán cheche awo ran yin boninu binu belegan pegan oye boninu binu belegan pegan ani bí ó bá ti be mi wí o kò ṣe ikan mi be o boninu binu belegan pegan boninu binu belegan rí bá ṣe gbere face ìròyìn ani bá ti be mi wí o kò ṣe ike ni be ló bá dé ẹ̀fẹ̀ ló bá dé lálẹ́ yìí ṣe bá gbọ́ lálẹ́ ọjọ́ ẹ̀fẹ̀ mo máa ṣe show kan fún yín mo máa pè ní ẹ̀fẹ̀ night nìkan ni àfọmọ anybody nù bí toilet roll tí ò gba yìí mọ́nú kitchen a máa fi wọ́n pọ́n ní yàlà ẹ máa wọn blue roll yẹn mọ́ ẹ máa fi nu anything àfọmọ anybody náà wá gba yìí má tèmi mo ṣe rí bàbá rẹ̀ nísinsìnyí ni a ti rí bàbá pàdé bàbá ada fún bro me God bless you. Anyway, people, Doris Peter Anogboshala, thank you. Yes, I need to be bringing you update what is happening, honestly, as much as I would like to bring you some educative, topic on this program, but then we need to finish all these people's shit that is on, it's on ground. We have to do it. As I was saying, I'm looking for Bimbola Shondeo. I miss you. You need to contact me as soon as possible, please. I can't find your number anymore. Yes. So people, as I was saying, that is for Buki Jesse. She needs to go and rearrange her life. The man called Temidayo Ibimidu. He's been writing all kind of silly stuff on his wall. We don't have time for you. I'm too busy to concentrate on you, Ibimidu. Don't use me to rise up again. Sister seriously now. So I don't know why you have to put that silly stuff on your wall because of me. When I told you on Instagram that I'm coming to you because I can see you attack AJ team. Temidayo Ibimidu has been attacking AJ team and he has openly declared himself as on my way. So he's not someone that we want to reckon with or that we want to associate with on this show. And you will go to see his end too. It's just gonna be like the rest of them. It be like okay. And you to with Brajaji, Jaji, Shamo toy boy, Madoko Kule, toy Mabinu Jaji Mushino, toy boy, Madoko Kunia, boy, you need a Koremo Yeti Lodi. One of Kumu, Madoko Kulo, let's stamp Melody Labafia Palori, when you're to an anyway. So all about forgiving, and releasing them today. You are down about my chef who I want to call, maybe one boyfriend, I won't call one more. Oh, I want chef when you put the one doing, but I want me to want innocent. I'm your Moses of Etuga. Ajoke, Ekabo Soria to Eshema, Vino, ya Jesu, my party, Wabayi. Yes, so Vini, can you see what Temidayo has been writing? You don't have to block him. Let's give him some chance. Go lose, go jabo shere. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àyè máa fún yàn ní time. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún ní time. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún ní long rope dáadáa. Ẹ jẹ́ kó abuse ẹ̀. Temidayo impregnated one of the girls following. And he divorced his wife of 9 years. That's his problem. I'm not even interested in the Temidayo guy. I'm not interested in his history. Seriously, I don't want to know his story. But if he crosses his boundary with me, trust me, ẹ mọ̀ kí mo máa fi hàn ní long rope. Ẹ jẹ́ kó sì máa ṣe yàlàyàlò, kó máa ṣe bí àpá, kó máa jambla, kó máa jábọ́, kó máa ṣe yàmàyàmà. Okùn tí mo fẹ́ fún ẹ̀gùn gan. So fi mí pa bó ṣe wù ẹ́ sì mọ̀ kójọ́ tó bá ti yọ ọmọ ayé ó yá mi nìyẹn. Tó bá ti ṣí kẹgbà kó ti ṣí o. Bó bá ti ṣí kẹgbà ó tún ti ṣí o. Àbíkẹ́ finally. Bá jẹ́ kí n fi wọ́n pa ní àmúfúlì ní ìmú bí iṣẹ́ yìí bọ́ bó ti fún ẹ láyè pé kó ṣàlàyé alábó ṣe wù ẹ́ so fi mí pa o tèmi dayọ̀ ìbí ìdùn máa fi mí pa lọ àsìkò tó mí pa lọ wà yẹn máa jẹun lọ mò ń padà bọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ níṣẹ́jú kan. Anyway, ẹ̀yin tèmi ó ti re ewé ọjọ́ mẹ́tàlá yẹn ti kó sí lórí. Báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ já mi sí mò ń kà. Okay, admin, please pin Maria Gabriel. AJ team, yes, we lead, another follow. Yes, we lead, another follow. We cannot afford to joke with our position in this job. So we are in the front and others are coming in the back. So thank you guys. You know I love you all. I cannot afford to stay on this show for too long tonight because I have a lot of people waiting for me out there. My fans are here. They're going to host me. They're waiting to me. So I miss you all. Don't worry, I'm coming back soon, tomorrow or next. If you don't see me tomorrow, I'll come out on Tuesday to talk to you. Oh, you can travel ní Thursday. I'm on ilé lọ́mọ mo ti cancel traveling mi yẹn. Mo ti fi sí next week again. Oh, you can lọ sí Naija. I'm on ilé lọ́mọ mo cancel ẹ. Ó tún dọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ ma yá ṣeré lọ bó ṣe wù. Àwọn òbéyàn kan jẹ́ àbẹ́yàn bínú wa àwọn ọmọ lórí èjèṣù. We are not here to fight anyone. We are not here to wage war at anybody. We are only here to put things right on social media. The way it's been going is not the right way. It's not professional. You don't go stepping on human beings' toes, deliberately thinking they will not talk. Of course, you don't want to sort of but kilon de alaye to tell me mole. Swear dear now. I don't want to jail or walk on the money. So shani yìí sí àmọ́ jẹ́sẹ̀ yẹ́wọ́ èsì ọwọ́ ẹ̀kọ́lọ́mọ́fọ́lọ́gùn káàkiri ogun ọ̀rá ẹlẹ́wà ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ ogun àbí kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wá ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ ṣó ti yé yín àbí yóò dẹ̀ ní mo ti máa ń sọ fún yín pé ó máa ní kú alárìkẹ́ yìí ò ní kò já ó sì lájà o babaláwo tẹ́yìn gbójúlé ó ti ṣeré lọ sábẹ́lẹ̀ yé ó ní ṣe ìfẹ́ yìí jèrè lọ Kàlàbá mi mọ ètò fún wọn lọ́dọ̀ olóògùn ẹ̀ àmọ́ bó bá lè lọ́bẹ̀ kúrò lọ́gbà ṣe ń jẹ́ pé bàbá kò ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ àlè yẹn kò yàwọ́ tí ojoojúmọ́ kò gbéjà wá bá mi sí ẹjọ́ ẹ dáwọ́ padà tó bá jẹ́ 1000 ni ó yẹ kó lè ṣẹ́kù bí 350 kóra lọ́gbà jẹ́jẹ́ kó fi rọ́wà láàyè ẹ̀ kò ràn mí o kò wá sọ fún bàbá pé tó wò yìí bá lọ run down tán kó má lọ jẹ́ pé ọmọ yàwọ́ jù yẹn lọ tó bá kì mí mọ́lẹ̀ àná mi bí bàrà ni tètè lọ gba ṣéǹjì ogun yẹn òṣìṣẹ́ kò ràn mí o kò dẹ̀ lè ràn mí láyé nítorí pé ẹni tó ń gbénú èmi Àbíkẹ́ ó jẹ́ ẹni tó ń gbénú ayé lọ gàrá nìyẹn dìímú lọ́wọ́ kan. Anyway, lecture ṣáàlà ń ṣe kì í ṣe ìjà rárá àní lecture ṣáàlà ń ṣe kì í máa ṣe ìjà ooo. So fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lórí show ẹ̀yin designer gidi ẹ̀yin tailor tẹ́ fẹ́ wo Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban pé àwọn ló sexy báyìí. Market ọjà. We are going to put some information out today. So if you need us for your MC, for marketing, for advert, you need to contact the marketing your manager. We're gonna put all the contacts out there today. You have the phone number, the email address, contact for your advert, you know, for marketing, for MC job. If you have any occasion coming up, if you have any function that is coming up, this is summertime, so and I know a lot of people are planning to party, so we are there to make your party fun all the way. You must be one on our you live our guests in you by Shama Dada. I'm a dada la Vike Lord. dára bí kẹ́lọ́ọ̀dọ̀ yín o ọmọ dáadáa làbí ọ̀dọ̀ yín ọmọ dáadáa làbí lọ́dọ̀ bí ní ọmọ ìyá Jésù lọ́dọ̀ Péjúmádé táwa Kálítù sísá tèmi wọ́n wá sọ pé ẹ má nà Àbíkẹ́ o ẹ má pa Àbíkẹ́ ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ má ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ Àbíkẹ́ láìdá ọmọ rere làbíkẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ wọn o ọmọ rere làbíkẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ wọn wọ́n ní ẹ má pa Àbíkẹ́ o ẹ má nà Àbíkẹ́ o wọ́n ní ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ má ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ Àbíkẹ́ láìdá bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ láìdá wọ́n á bá yín jà olè àwọlé ìjì ajá bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fi lè bá Àbíkẹ́ jà àwọn tèmi nìyẹn wọ́n fi mí ṣeré rárá wọ́n á bá yín jà yamayama ọ̀la náà máa ṣe burial ọmọ dáradára. So she's leaving the information if anyone is willing to attend the burial, the funeral for Elizabeth. So it's holding in somewhere in Basildon. So you can contact Dara if you would like to be a part of it. So from AJ team, we're gonna send us a message after this show. I really do appreciate you guys. Androde mi mu nkan mi bi je ma mu o. Go be like woman. If you jack come go ayo. Go be like woman. If I jack come ade. Indrode mi ororo ifi pa e sha mo. Inú mọ́lẹ̀ ńlá yín tó fẹ́nẹ̀ sí ṣe mouth wash. Inú mọ́lẹ̀ ńlá tó ń jẹ nasco kùrùkùrù kórí àwọn ọ̀tẹ̀ dàrú. Àwọn ògbéṣẹ́ agbára bóró èmi ò lè ṣàlàwọ̀ o. Ọmọ ayé wọlé Àbíkẹ́ ò lè ṣàlàwọ̀ o ilé ṣàlàwọ̀ àwọ̀ yìí náà ní nǹkan olú ọmọ káfàtà gbogbo ẹ̀ ó dùn ní ó bójú mu ó sex ẹ̀ ṣàwọ̀ ẹ̀ wá wo sexy nation ẹ̀ ṣàwọ̀ anyway so àwọn ọmọ ayé àwọn wà bí àwọn tèmi wọlé jáde máa ń gbọ́n àwọn boys yẹn sí Gbeduda come here let me sing a song for you on my show Gbedu. You need to come. Let me sing a song. Gbedu, where you come? My people want to meet you. It's my brother. It's his birthday today, and we are here to celebrate him. Hello, I'm going to sing him a best song on this show. Gbedu, where you come? Thank you, people. Thank you. It's too one love. You know I love you all. Gbedu is a musician. He's well known all over UK. He sings very well. So if you need him for your occasion, you contact him. He sings very well. He sings juju and he's very good at what he does. I'm going to release some of the things he has done. So this is my brother. His name is Gbedu, Olu Gbedu. That's Olu Gbedu. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us, yeah. And so say all of us, hooray. And so say all of us, hooray. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. That's Gbedu man for you. He sings very well. He's a musician. He sings juju. You need to hear his cassette. He's very good at what he does. He's my big brother. So I have to honor him because he has honored me in so many ways. He has invited a whole lot of my fans to celebrate me, to honor him. And I just have to give back to him. Come on here, Moscow. Come on. That's my brother. So guys, I'm gonna go now. Thank you all. This is what I know how to eat. Mimu yi na ni. Mimu ni. What you NSC ni. Our Gbedu sit patronize. I'm gonna pin out his contact after that. You need to try him for you to know how good he is at what he's to do. He has done a cassette for me. I'll show you what he recorded for me and you will like it. So thank you so much, people. I are all waiting out there for me. Mama Gori Wale, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, people. So I need to join those guys now because I have to be MC of that occasion. All of them are waiting for me. I need to talk. They hold the mic. So that's why I'm here anyway, is to master the occasion today. So thank you guys. You know, I love you all. You guys are the best. I'm coming back out soon. Most likely on Tuesday. So Janet Ali, thank you. Yes, I have wonderful people around me. I'm telling you. Olori Silipe, Oshejari Aburo mi yoda fun. He says, Abi, Ori Ade, to thank you to all of you that are wishing a happy birthday. I pray that the Lord Almighty will put a smile on each and every one of you's face as well. Thank you so much for the love. I'm so your babe. Jagaban day one. Ọlọ́mọ gbogbo olúọmọ káfàtà and labor lẹ́yìn Jagunlabi wájú lọ. Iná ògiri òsà èmi àbí wàrà bí ẹkùn ẹni mọ́ òkú ẹni mọ́ mọ́. Ẹyọ ẹ má tẹ̀rí síbẹ̀ àti sí o ẹ pa lórí ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. So ẹ̀yin tèmi, thank you, Terry. I know this is not fantastic, but don't worry, I'm going to stage another show soon, you know, to you guys entertainment. So don't worry, just look out for me on Tuesday or Wednesday. I will notify you. So keep following us on Instagram. You need to keep following us on Twitter. You need to like my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abike Jagaban, and stay tuned to my radio. My radio has got the best of music that you can ever imagine. So go there. We've got some nice bedroom there that you would like. Eshamo, emi go ma joke way personally. I don't care about it. I give it to you. Come on, now wait me this. Wakabumba, now wait. Allah moi. Mama kọrin very soon. In rap, ma tún ṣe fíìmù gbogbo ẹni ma ṣe. Bó bá wọ́n ta, kó lọ bẹ́ sómi. Mo ti níbo nínú bínú bẹ́lẹ́gàn pẹ̀gàn òye. Mo níbo nínú bínú bẹ́lẹ́gàn pẹ̀gàn. Àní tí ò bá ti bẹ́ mi wí o, kò séyìí ké mi bẹ́ o. Kò séyìí tó ké mi bẹ́. Bó ti wá bá mi wí gan, àní kò tún séyìí kọ́ mi bẹ́ o. Ìṣòro ni fún yín láti gbàgbé kẹjẹ. Thank you, Dúpẹ́ Olúgbòdì. I saw what about don't mind them. Your school is one of the best in Nigeria and you're doing very well for yourself. You have left a landmark. You are doing really good with that school. Don't mind whatever Nkechi writes on the wall. She's just news as written. Nkechi, we have called the woman that heads the church that she attends. We've called on Mama Esther Ajayi. She's a very good woman. She's a mother in Israel. And they're going to call her. We are not going to one way. Abati e geton ni bó bá dé bá geton bó bá kanra le ó lè lọ kanra oko náà. So ni wo ṣe fún rárá bó àmọ́ pé ó sì lè àwọn èèyàn gidi tán so mọ́ kí gbogbo wọn lè sá fún ní church torí tán bá ti mọ̀ ní church ibi báyìí ni Rosemary Eke. Ó lọ sí school ní Greenish in wa black jeep. Orúkọ Yorùbá ló ń jẹ́ mo ń gbórúkọ ẹ̀yẹn bọ̀ fún yẹn jẹ́rìí mi. CID gbàgbà gbede ló yẹ gbam. Anyway, guys, I got to go now. My people are waiting for me. We got to call the cake. So I'm going to cut the cake and master this occasion. Thank you so much for wishing me very well. He's my brother. They said he's my boyfriend. Maybe he's even my boyfriend. Let me date him. He's my boyfriend. All of them are my boyfriend. In one we come kwa Jagaban be na ni. Okunkun ti baba laku baba yala anybody yo ṣe fún mi lórí ẹgbà yẹn nko mo fẹ́ náà nu ẹ bá lọ́kùnrin bí mẹ́wàá náà ni nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ jẹ jù náà nìyẹn ẹ máa gbéra ìmọ̀ jẹ wàhálà lẹ kóra yín sí. So thank you all. I love each and every one of you. You all should have a wonderful week ahead. I pray that the Lord Almighty will meet you at the point of your need in this new week. Uncle Shago Dunika, thank you so much. I miss you. Gypsy Akimbalaji, I have a good voice. I will go. Yes, sir. Ilama Kari, Mani, Eshubiri Biri Kaboya, Iwaju Laka Iwa Mila, Ayikola Laka Iwe Mila, Motimo, Motimo, Yeo, Motimo, Emitimo, Motimo. Motima yeo, motima. Ani yeshu biri kabamiya. Iwaju la kanyiwe mila. Eyi kala la kanyiwa mila. Mitima. Ani motima yeo, motima. Wala iwaju nìkan lọ lọ́kàn yín wà wá lọ bí bàbá wa sọ ní ade ṣe kọ́ nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ní eme ní ọ̀la lẹ máa mú gàrà lẹ gbọ́ yẹn. Ayé sún lọ síwájú. Forward is the only way. Up is the only way for age 18. So we can only go forward. We can only get better by the day. I'm bringing you lots of, very helpful information. I have information for those of you that are looking forward to stabilize your immigration status. I have a lawyer that does free consultation. You don't get charged for consulting him. He's going to take your immigration, case freely, and they will make sure that they get you your leave to remain in the country. So to those of you immigrants that are looking for ways or that are still working out or that are in the process of, regularizing yourself in the country. Don't worry. We are doing something to, to ensure that you have your status in this country without having to pay a dime. Not legal aid, though, is a lawyer that takes up people's case without charging. We have to put your name to him. He will call on you, give you an appointment. You go to see him and they will take up your case from there. So we have a lot of information that will be helpful to you. And you guys should please search, Google, read about blood clotting. It's so common these days. Blood clotting is killing people. It's killing people. You need to know that aspirin is very good to prevent blood clotting. Go online, Google it, read stuff. We need to stay healthy. We need to remain healthy. I'm going to bring you a lot of information on that blood clotting soon. We'll talk to a nurse. She will call in and she will educate us, further on blood clotting and how to prevent it. Emma for you, deal. Onlo papa dimio. Olo woni je kan ri ko mode láàrin wa o. Awon ri ko wa la shedumare. Thank you so much, you all. I love you so much. Any people, you are Kata friend. They love me. Tell them I heard them. Tell them some of them were talking about they can't understand my language, and yet they are just glued to this place. So thank you all, Sister Eniola. Okay, thank you, Duke Olubodi. Thank you, Princess Bukola Badamasi. Yes, Eva Bidemi, I am melted. Yes, it's God. Abiketo Yayi Osheun Eyomi Oluwakemi Omoladi Pupo. I love you. Thank you, Princess Oria Lizzie, Elizabeth Black Heaven. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you all. So my Nigeria fans, get ready for me next week. My Nigeria fans, get ready next week. I'm supposed to come this week, but I can't make it anymore because I cannot hide. There's no how you put nothing that Jagaban here. Away hide here. You should only find it all on Sakiri. Once I go in Loseko, in Jabani Loseko, share, and why get refugee Lulu Baba, maybe don't be missing. And you let get refugee status. Only in Luba de Nigeria, one for you refugee status into the and Chena Jamo at the Tonsil Yibo, Emi Ebagua, Madele, oh, Le Coco Tagbe, Bawa Kabari Walode, one hour, what beating. Alaguta bike ojelebe gesi showo olunje. Hey, calm down, Abike ma je ko poje chamo yan ma ye. Peace out now. I'll come your way again soon. Peace out. Have a wonderful week ahead. I love you all. Bye bye.